a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.